You have an idea for a new innovation. Effectively communicating your idea is critical to your success. A value proposition can be a useful tool. A value proposition is a hypothesis about what your innovation solves, for who, and why. The value proposition for your idea will change depending on the customer or stakeholder being addressed. Every idea has several value propositions. The first step in building a value proposition statement is identifying your customers or stakeholders. These are the people affected by the problem and helped by your solution. They could be providers, patients, administrators, and insurance payers, among others. Keep in mind that patients may benefit from your idea. However, they are most likely not the stakeholder that will determine whether or not your solution is implemented. Next, define the problem. Think about the stakeholder. Try to put yourself in their shoes. What challenges do they face? What are they trying to get done? Now, define your solution or your idea in very simple language. Avoid details about features or how it functions. The last component of the value proposition is the value created by your solution. Match the value of your solution to the problem the customer is experiencing. Customers buy value, not the technology or the idea of change. In summary, your value proposition statement is going to read, customers have a problem and the proposed solution solves the problem, resulting in compelling value. Let's walk through putting together a value proposition with an example. You are proposing a small, office-based ultrasound system. The system has an image analysis algorithm and will allow primary care physicians to make a preliminary diagnosis in the office. Think about stakeholders impacted by this innovation. Remember, each stakeholder will have a different value proposition. Let's choose the primary care physician. Consider many of the primary care physician's problems, including the delayed time to diagnosis, patient dissatisfaction, and office equipment costs, for example. In this example, we will focus on delayed time to diagnosis. Define the solution in simple language, an ultrasound system that analyzes images at the point of care. This statement does not talk about how it works or features like the image analysis algorithm. Lastly, define the value of your solution in relation to the problem. The value of the innovation is the elimination of the need for referrals and the ability to provide an in-clinic diagnosis quickly. Now, let's put the components together into a value proposition. Primary care physicians frustrated with the lengthy referral process can use our ultrasound system to provide diagnoses quickly. For more information, check out Fast Forward Medical Innovation.